Let me ask you a question most traders avoid answering. What do you do when a trade goes against you? Not in theory, not in a textbook example. I mean, when you are deep in the money and the expiration is approaching fast and your P&L is bleeding. Do you take the loss? Do you roll the position? And if you do, how far out and at which strike? Because here is what nobody likes to admit. Selling 20 delta puts is really easy in a bull market. That's why you see traders bragging about a 95% win rate. But here is the part that actually matters. What happens in the other 5%? Because if you don't know how to manage these losing trades properly, a single bad position can wipe out months of gains. And most traders never learn this part. That is why I'm building the options trading desk. The option trading desk is a membership where I publish weekly breakdowns of new positions and live updates on existing trades until they are fully resolved. I record my real positions in real time, why they are losing, and walk you through exactly how I think about adjustments, risk, and damage control. Everything is archived so you can study these situations whenever suits you, especially when you're under pressure in your own account. Because if we're being honest, this is what actually separates consistent traders from everyone else. Not the easy wins, but how do you handle trades that go wrong?